All right, so here I am going to show you how to get started on the stock recording sheet for your stock project. You can see here I have opened up Excel and I've already built some things in here that you would need to also enter into your Excel sheet. I've got room up here for 3 stocks, 1, 2, 3, and then I've got room for a mutual fund, and that's where you have to spend up to $100,000. All right. So my first company here is Eli Lilly. First thing I'm going to do is merge those right there, so that when I type in Eli Lilly, it all shows up. And then the ticker symbol, again, I'm going to merge those by highlighting them and click merge. And I'm going to go over here to Yahoo, go to finance, like I've showed you how to do before. And then we're going to type in Eli Lilly. And if you remember from the last, or one of the earlier videos, the ticker symbol is LLY. So I'm going to enter that right here. LLY, and then what we just saw there on this screen, that is my buy price right there, $54.99. So that's the current price, the most recent price that Eli Lilly stock was bought or sold at, so 54.99. Period. And notice how I've got that formatted as a dollar value, and the way you do that is by clicking on the box. If yours doesn't do that automatically, you click on the box, and then you come up here and you click on the $ symbol on depending on what type of a computer you are using, or you can go up here to format cells, and then it pulls up a menu, and you can change the number, and you can change the currency, you can change it all kinds of, you can change the alignment, you can stand things up, whatever. So that is how we would pick our stock out, the ticker symbol, and then we look for the price. Now the number of shares purchased, I'm just going to say let's purchase 100 shares. All right, and let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger for you guys to see here. That helps a little bit, and then let's make the font a little bit bigger just so you guys can see it. There we go, perfect. So okay, I have already entered in here the formula. I'm going to erase that and show you how I got that. The total value spent is going to be the number of shares purchased times the buy price. So in Excel, what you do is you hit the equal sign, and that tells Excel that you want it to do a formula for you, and it makes it real simple. So I've hit the equal sign, and then I'm going to click on the box that I want it to find or to look at, and I'm going to take that number times the value of the stock and hit enter, and that shows that I spent $5,499 on this stock. Now let's say I change my number to 70 shares and hit enter, and voila, it automatically does the math for me. I'm going to do that exact same thing all the way across. I'm going to pick out a second stock, I'm going to pick out a third stock. All right, now let's come over here to the mutual fund. All right, mutual funds are very, very similar, but maybe yet a little bit different. Let me blow this up again so you guys can kind of see what we're dealing with here. All right, make that a little bit bigger. And see how I did that? All right, what I did, see this box isn't big enough for all of my words and letters and everything. So I'm going to come up here in between and see how the mouse changes to that little symbol right there. And then I simply double click the mouse, and it automatically makes it big enough that you can see everything within that box. That's a very common problem that students have. All right, so for the mutual fund, again, I'm gonna merge these so that when I type something in, it goes across the whole format. All right, so we're right there, and then I'm gonna come over here to my Yahoo Finance page, and I'm gonna type in the name of any mutual fund company. All right, and for this one, I'm gonna go American Mutual Funds. You can also use Fidelity, Vanguard, T. Rowe Price, whatever company you choose. And you can see American Mutual Funds there. I'm actually going to change that to American Funds. There we go. And you know a mutual fund when you see one, because it has 5 letters in the ticker symbol. A stock will have 1, 2, 3, or possibly 4 letters in the ticker symbol. All mutual funds and only mutual funds have 5 letters in the ticker symbol. So I'll pick this one right here, the Growth Fund of America. Click on it, and we can see the name of the mutual fund is right here, American Funds Growth Fund of America, and then the ticker symbol is right there, AGTHX. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to enter that AGTHX, and then up here the name of my mutual fund is American Funds Growth Fund of America. Got that done. And then my buy price, I go back over here, is right here, $36.73. So come back to my Excel sheet. All right, and that's 36.33. And I'm also going to buy, let's say 100 shares of this one. All right, and then I come down here and I do my same formula. Equals that number times this number, no matter what I do with it, and I've spent $3,633 on this one. All right, in the next video, I will show you how to fill in the information down below, and then the video after that, we will do the portfolio. All right, thanks.